What's that? What do you got? Oh boy. You love your shrimp. Was that good? Tell everybody what you got. What are you eating? What you got? Say, I got a shrimp as a treat. Right? If you do decide to ever let your bird or parrot try a shrimp, make sure I wash them first and I bake them. You got to make sure that they're cooked really well. And I only give it to him once in a while as a treat. It's low in fat, good protein, especially because he's molting. It helps him, so it's good once in a while. I think he likes to play with the tail too. I don't think he eats it, just breaks it off. But what do you think, Ricco? Good? Yummy. Tell them what else you did today. You went outside in your outdoor cage and you got to have some sun and a spritz bath. Yep. Came inside and had a piece of shrimp for a treat. Right? I like to, like I said before, mix up his food variety, make it interesting so he doesn't get tired of the same stuff, as long as it's healthy for him. Okay, Ricco, go enjoy. Say bye, everybody.